aba baitirwe aha nyanja ya Edward mu katwe k'abatoro Town Council om district ya Kasese. Okurujira har Major General Dick Olum orukurre chikwekweto cha Operation Suja na jangwa aba babire n'abarugo mu ihangeri ya Democratic Republic of Congo obo barikwenda kurabira aha nyanja ya Edward.
Walikuwa nafikiri watatudoji kwa mato kuingia kwa maji, lakini na sisi vile tuko na vitu vyetu tukafika huko tukawakamata. Komanda yao ambao wanaongoza hichi kundi na uaua watu ndio unaita yeye njovu. Nafikiri umemwona wanamchukua kwa gari.
Major General Olum na jangwa aba nubo bamwe habisira barambuzi babiri hamwe no muvuji wabo hamwe nabeji abampondwe rubiriha.
Most unfortunate incident of coming to attack the tourists in the Mwea in this national park here in Mwea, where we lost 3 people, 2 tourists, foreign nationals, and also one of the drivers who was the tour guide and the driver to the
kurujira hari UPDF ebikwekweto nkebe nibigumuzamu kandi nubashaba abatura obutemereza mutuma.
Of course, this has been a very superb operation guided by His Excellency the President, where we got a number of special forces which also came into play, the Marines of the UPDF. I mean, it was a joint operation that really was led by intelligence, and we've come out eventually with the results.
UPDF did deployment on the waters. There was an unexpected encounter, and indeed there was heavy gun shots overhead all over those ends.
Ikintu cha UPDF yakora ni kintu cha amani muno, kandi twentu kinihira kurugira mu president wetu ngetu kumwisiga twentu nihira kintu kino kubaho abukuba bano abantu bizire mbatarabaniza kuruga inyuma nenyuma bayisira bana beitu basise bintu byeitu.
Obwahati embiri y'Abahekyera hamwe na komanda wabo yatwara barracks ya Kasese omuri mpondwe rubiriha Town Council obwe bikwekweto biri kugumzamu gasha kwa Gilbert Mahanguzi.